Hi, welcome to Murph's Magic. I'm going to do a little routine for you just now. It's called fibre optics. It uses three pieces of rope. We've got a short piece of rope, we've got a long piece of rope, and we've got a medium piece of rope. Okay, all I'm going to do is hand these pieces of rope out. So if you could have a look at that one, if you could possibly take a look at that one, and here, you can have a look at that one. Okay, no trapdoors, no hidden switches, they're not elasticated. Okay, if you just give me them back, thank you. So I've got the long piece of rope, I've got the short piece of rope, and I've got the medium piece of rope. Under the right lighting, and if you use your imagination, if I pull on the end of the rope, you would honestly think that all three pieces of rope were now the same size. But they're not, because remember that we had the short piece of rope, we had the medium piece of rope, and we had the long piece of rope. Okay, too many pieces of rope. Let's get rid of one. Now we're down to two pieces of rope. Okay, so we've got two pieces of rope the same size. Tell you what, let's just work on one piece of rope. Now that we've got the one piece of rope, I've got to tell you, it can be very dangerous at times working with pieces of rope. You have to be very careful. The worst thing that can happen when you're working with rope is that you pull too tightly and the end comes off. Okay, okay, we've got two ends and we've got just one big loop. Tell you what I do, let's find a nice spot somewhere just round about there, and let's throw on the ends again. So now we're back to one piece of rope again. Now, there's only one thing worse, as I said, than pulling too tightly, the rope coming off and the ends coming off, and then having to throw the rope ends back on again, and that is if you actually had problems with the middle of the rope. So we've got it there, and we've got a lovely big loop in here, and if you just blow on it, you actually end up with the middle in this hand. Okay, let's try and put it back on again. All you do is push it up to there, and then just blow gently, and yeah, we're back to one piece of rope again. Now, we'll take the one piece of rope, let's just tie a knot, pull it through. Remember, we started with three pieces of rope, we went down to two pieces of rope, and now we're down to one piece of rope. So what we need to do is take the magic scissors. And all we do is cut, and we're now back to two pieces of rope. But remember, we did start with three pieces of rope, and here's the third bit. And remember, I said it was an illusion because you've got the small piece of rope, you've got the medium piece of rope, and you've got the long piece of rope. Just to prove to you that it is an illusion, I'm going to put one piece of rope there, one piece of rope there. We're going to break the illusion when we go 1, 2, 3, and there we are back with one short piece of rope, one long piece of rope, and one medium piece of rope. Thanks very much for watching.